Dear students, today I shall discuss about the area under the velocity time graph. What does it indicate? Okay. Now, what will be the velocity time graph for uniform motion? Last day we have discussed what will be the distance time graph for uniform motion. We have got this. Now I am discussing what will be the velocity time graph for uniform motion. The graph will be like this. This is velocity and this is time. So this will be the graph. Say this is A, B. AB is the velocity time graph for uniform motion. For uniform motion. Uniform motion means always velocity remains the same. Velocity remains the same. Now we have taken say 2 time here at time t1 and at time t2. Say this is C, D, E, F, this. So what is indicated by this area? What is indicated by this area? This is under the velocity time graph. Now you see, if the velocity is v, the velocity is say v, let the velocity be v. Velocity v. So what will be the distance travel? Distance equal to velocity into time interval. So what will be the displacement in this time interval t2 to t1? So displacement in the time interval equal to displacement means say S. So what is the displacement? What is the displacement? Displacement equal to speed into time, velocity into time. Velocity is v, time is t2 minus t1. So this is the equation. You write like this way also. Displacement in the time interval, this S equal to this. Equation number 1. Now this is a rectangle. What will be the area of this rectangle? Now area of rectangle C, D, E, F. What is area? Area equal to length into breadth. So equal to CF into FE. What is CF? What is CF? CF is V. So V into what is EF? EF equal to T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. So from equation 1 and 2, what we are getting? from equation 1 and 2, what we are getting? Area is equal to displacement. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, we get what we get? V into, that means this is equal to this. That means area equal to area under the velocity time graph. Area the velocity time equal to, what is this? S means displacement, equal to displacement. Okay, so what we are getting? First we have told that what will be the graph, what will be the velocity time graph in case of uniform motion. Graph is straight line. Now we have taken two perpendicular line at time t1 and at time t2. So this will become a rectangle. And now what will be the displacement of the body in the time interval t2 minus t1? And in case of uniform motion, we know that distance equal to speed into time or velocity into time. So velocity into time. So this is equation 1. Now question is, what is the area under this graph? That means what is the area of the rectangle? Area means length into breadth, rectangle. Length is V, breadth is t2 minus t1. Now you see from equation 1 and 2, its right hand side is V into t2 minus t1, its right hand side also V into t2 minus t1. So this will be equal to this. So area under the velocity time graph equal to displacement. Area under the velocity time graph is equal to displacement. So we have written area under the velocity time graph equal to displacement. Okay. This portion is have not come, so I am writing distinctly. Therefore, area under the velocity time graph equal to displacement. Okay. So sometimes you will get some numerical to find the displacement from this graph. So you will only find the area, and this area will be the displacement, and at that time you have to use the unit of displacement. Okay. Now you see, this is the graph for velocity time graph in case of uniform motion. Now if the velocity is uniformly decreasing, then what will be the position time graph? Velocity is uniformly decreasing. Velocity is uniformly decreasing. Then what will be the position time graph? Position time graph. In this direction position, in this direction time. Okay. Suppose positive displacement, then the graph will be like this. Say this is T1 and this is X1. So graph this will be the negative slope. Position time graph will be like this way. When displacement is positive, and the velocity of the body is uniformly decreasing. Then the graph will be like this. This graph indicates the velocity, position time graph for which the velocity of the body is uniformly decreasing, having positive displacement. Now what is the slope of the position time graph? Slope of position time. This is very important line. Slope of position time graph indicates velocity. Slope of position time graph indicates velocity. If slope decreasing, that means if slope negative, that means कि velocity decreasing. If slope positive, means कि velocity increasing. In this case, slope will be negative. In this case, slope is positive. In this case, slope positive. In this case, slope negative. What does it mean? Here velocity increasing. Here velocity uniform. Here velocity uniform but positive. Here velocity uniform but velocity position is decreasing. Here negative velocity. Here positive velocity. Here slope will be positive. So positive velocity, uniform velocity. And here slope is negative. So this will be negative constant by uniform negative velocity. These two graphs clearly, properly try to understand. In this case, slope will be positive. Here slope positive. What does it mean? Uniform velocity, it is positive velocity. And here slope is negative. Means here uniform negative velocity. Clear? Okay, bye.